the Disneyland Band. For what is going to be the happiest march on earth, and who better to help out you here than everyone's favorite leader of the crowd, Mickey Mouse! And all his pals too, here they come. Oh, hey there, Mickey. How you doing? It's great to see you and all your pals too. And Minnie, I gotta say, come on now, you are looking fabulous today. That is for sure. All right, Mickey, are you ready to help me set the tempo for the march? That is just great. Ladies and gentlemen, now is your chance to join in with the Disneyland Band, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and all of their pals as we march our way down Main Street together. It is gonna be bunches of fun. But folks, see, this is the deal. Now, Mickey and Minnie, that we should practice marching here in place before we get onto the street together. That is an excellent idea, guys. So this is what we need you all to do, kids. That's all for life. You guys ready? We need you to stick out your left foot so that when we practice marching around that left foot, let me see some feet out there. Don't be shy. All right, let's practice marching. Here we go. And left, right, left. Hey, nice job, Chip. Excellent marching, buddy. All right, I like what I'm seeing so far. Nice job, guys. The other stuff we're going to do is we're heading down the street. Step touching was a little something like this. Goofy, you're going to have to show us how it's done. Here we go. Oh, come on now, Goofy. Let's go, buddy. Give a little bit of a groove. Get the arms in there as well. We have got some good dancers. Nice job, Goofy. You did well. Folks, we are ready to go. The band is going to line up. Mickey's pals are going to line up. We're filling onto the street. You're going to hop in behind the band. And we are marching our way down to Town Square. All right, Mickey. I think it is time. Here we go. All right, folks, let's
everybody, good morning. Welcome to New Orleans Square here at Disneyland. We're the Jambalaya Jazz Band. We're playing music all day long. Hope you're having a good day.
Awesome.
Let's do
Get a picture. Oh. Best band at Disneyland, right? Absolutely.
Here we go. Anybody there have a song?